Being unable to access your Samsung phone is one of the most inconvenient experiences, especially if you have saved some essential data on the phone. As such, this piece will guide you through how to remove pattern lock in Samsung. Method 1. Unlock Samsung phone pattern with Google account. If your Samsung phone is locked, you have 5 trials to redraw your pattern. If you repeat the wrong pattern for the 6th time, you cannot draw the pattern for the next 30 seconds. If this happens, Google accounts can help you unlock it. Method 2. How to remove Samsung pattern lock using Find My Mobile. Samsung developed a new application called Find My Mobile on their devices. For Samsung fans, you might have noticed it. The primary use of the feature is to locate Samsung devices. Method 3. How to unlock Samsung phone forgot pattern via Android Device Manager. Android Device Manager is another convenient way to bypass your Samsung pattern lock. To use this Android Device Manager, ensure you turn it on first. Method 4. Remove Samsung third-party lock by booting it in safe mode. This method works for those people who use third-party screen locks on their Samsung devices. When you set the device into safe mode, it hinders third-party applications from running. Method 5. Samsung pattern unlock via pattern password disable. To use this method to unlock your Samsung screen lock, you must be a professional in rooting and custom recovery. First, you need to install custom recovery software on your phone. Method 6. How to get past pattern lock on Samsung via factory reset. Factory reset the phone if you do not mind losing the Samsung phone's data. This process depends on the type of device you are using. Some devices require you to switch off the phone to begin factory resetting. Method 7. How to crack a pattern lock Samsung using Google's Find My Device. Google's Find My Device is another method to bypass your Samsung screen lock. It allows you to manage your Samsung device remotely.